Hello everyone. If you have just bought an eero router and you want to connect it to your Spectrum modem, so this video is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. So before you even begin, just make sure that your Spectrum modem is already activated and working. So you need to unplug the power cable from your Spectrum modem. After that, simply wait for at least 2 minutes. So what this is going to do is it is going to clear the previous router connection and allows your modem to recognize the new eero router. So this particular step is really very important and I highly recommend you to not skip it. Now you need to take the Ethernet cable and then you need to plug one end into the Ethernet port of your Spectrum modem and you need to plug the other end into the WAN or the internet port on your main eero router. Just make sure that the cable clicks firmly into place. Now first you need to plug your Spectrum modem back in, then simply wait for the online lights to become solid. This is going to take around 2 to 5 minutes. Next, you need to plug in your eero router and wait for the eero light LED to basically start blinking blue. If it is blinking blue, it simply means that it's already basically ready to set up. Now you need to download and open the eero application on your phone. Then you can either sign in or you can create your account. So this app will automatically detect the eero router and will guide you through naming your network and creating the Wi-Fi password. So once eero light turns solid, it simply means that your internet should be active. So you can connect your phone or the laptop to your new Wi-Fi network and then you can open a website to confirm that it is working. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.